Kọmanụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ugochi tubelu Oraifite Nwa Adama anyị na-akpụ alụ. Abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. Mana ụbọchị taa, to my fellow ọdịnala Igbo audience and subscribers, please, today's lecture I would like to give it in English. It's not as if English is superior to my Igbo language, but I have a lot of audience. Some of them are our subscribers on YouTube channel, but they are asking, begging that I should do this particular video in English so that they will still be following, because some of them, if I use Igbo, some of them don't normally follow and understand all. I don't know. Yes, today's topic is the importance of sacrifice for appeasement. I'll call it Aja in Igbo language. The importance is so important for you to be doing sacrifice. Before the arrival of the missionary, in Old Testament, Leviticus, you can read it. You know why I quoted that Leviticus and so many chapters in Old Testament? Is because I believe in using what somebody knows to explain what the person does not know. And what you don't know is only mystery to you and not to all. In Old Testament, people of the old, before the New Testament, sacrifice is very, very important in someone's life. In the Old Testament, we have so many types of sacrifice and appeasement. We have sacrifice for forgiveness of sin. We have sacrifice to get favor from the Almighty Father, the creator of the whole universe, the unmovable mover. We have sacrifice for atonement, etc., and so on and so forth. But what I want to say today is the importance of sacrifice to Yachi. Who is Yachi? Yachi is the closest being. You are like your guided angel, the one that is carrying your prayers and supplication to the entities of powers that grant favor and abundance. Believe in me, if you don't know Yachi, your guided angel, the closest being to you, my brother, my sister, you'll be wallowing in darkness and hardship. It's like you are blind. It means that in the spiritual realm, you don't have a representative. It is very important for you to recognize Yachi, know what Yachi needs from you. Give him thanks for what he have done. Let me give you an example. When you are still a child, Yachi it does not matter. Yachi have been doing everything in your adolescent and childhood, because Yachi understand perfectly that at that point in time you are not independent. You are still depending on your parents' guidance. At that point you are still like an infant in spiritual matter. But in adulthood, Yachi some of them will abandon you. Some of them will still be there for you, but they will not be there doing what they're supposed to be doing, because at that adulthood they expected you to do the needful. What is the needful? The needful is that you recognize Yachi and thank Yachi for what he have done in your life all this while, and then ask Yachi to help you, to protect you, to do more goodies for you. Because if you thank whoever that does something of good to you, the person will have more strength to do more, knowing the fact that you recognize the fact that he have done goodies for you in the past. Then at the same time, there is this entities of powers. After knowing Yachi and thanking Yachi and doing sacrifice of gratitude to Yachi, the Yachi will be happy. See, oh, this my person, you really understand the fact that I have been doing something good for Yachi. Yachi will be happy. Aside that, what again he will do? There are these entities of powers. That brings money. They are in female and male forms. I call them Otigba and Ijele. You understand? Whenever I want to feed them, I call them Otigba and Ijele because they have been doing something too significant. Understand? Something of joy. They normally create joy in my heart. That's why I normally call them that name. Because whenever I have any need and do sacrifice to them, they normally surprise me. Do you get? Then, what I want to say today is that the importance of doing sacrifice to entities of power that bring wealth and goodies. In Old Testament, there is sacrifice of Arabiya Ajaihoma, sacrifice to receive favor. It is very allowed in nature. Do sacrifice to those entities of power that they bring in goodies. Once you do that, they will be happy with you and they will do more. Those entities of powers, once you recognize them, the importance of them being around to you and being friendly with you, then do the needful to them, do sacrifice, do sadaka with them, they will open doors. And it does not have any repercussion because it's for you to be knowledgeable and knowing fully well that they exist. And once you do sacrifice to them, they will bring more favor. In the Old Testament, the people of Israel, Israelites, they normally do sacrifice to these entities of powers to get more favor. So, my brothers and sisters, learn how to do sacrifice for favor to Yachi and to the entities of power that bring in money. Once you do that, they will open doors of money and abundance for you. For more understanding, if you have any question from what I said so far, you can chat me. WhatsApp my number 0805 7837 672. Ugochi tubelu Oraifite. You will use this name to find me on Facebook, and you can send any query to me via this my WhatsApp number. I will help you. Let me tell you one thing, what you don't know. If you are not the type that is doing, they say givers never lack. It's law of nature. If you don't know how to give to nature, my brother, you will always be lacking. Remember nature, if you plant one corn, you will get multiple. So if you know how to give sacrifice of gratitude to entities of powers, believe in me, they have them in goodies in abundance. They will surprise you. They will embarrass you with goodies. Start doing it today. I will help you to do sacrifice to these entities of power that is bringing money. This one is just to call them in the air from the sun and do the needful the way we normally do it, and they will receive the sacrifice and you will be favored. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.